What's this guy's problem? Let's find out. Southeast Pennsylvania, the ramp from Route 322 east merges into one lane, then enters Interstate 95 north from the left, leaving not much room to merge with the fast lane. This time around, wasn't much traffic coming off of 322, so I was able to keep my speed up and accelerate into an opening onto the interstate. As always, I signaled my lane change. So, why does this guy have a problem with that? Coming off of 322, I am clearly going a little faster than the flow of traffic, so I can time my merge. This guy accelerates to try and shut the door on me, but he's too late. He's forced to change lanes so he doesn't hit me. And then for some reason, that's my fault. Let's watch that again. I'm clearly going faster than this guy to make room to merge. Then he accelerates and forces himself to change lanes. It's not like I could do anything at this point. My lane already ended. Yeah, F you too. Let me know what you think in the comments.